Alright, y'all, welcome to Photo. This is my first update for y'all. I'm introducing our first project, which is point of view. There's a couple of things I want to go over with it. First of all, basic of the project is you're going to take 8 photos, one for each of the points of view that are in your PowerPoint. Make sure you read those and put the definitions in your notes. They'll be on your quiz, which is Friday. So, what those are is framing, bird's eye view, worm's eye view, rule of thirds, depth of field, silhouette, motion where you stop motion where it looks like the object's frozen in air, and motion pan where you follow the moving object so it looks still and everything around it is blurred. If you're confused about these things, check out the PowerPoint. All right, but the main thing I want to discuss with you is figurative perspective. So these are points of view that are literal. This is how you interact with your object. I should not have to ask which photo is which. You have this evening, all day Thursday, and all day Friday to turn these photos into me. Look at the PowerPoint, try to emulate what you see. Framing, bird's eye view, I shouldn't have to ask what's bird's eye view. You're looking straight down. So this is literal perspective. This is what you can control, how you interact with your subject. But figurative perspective is how you feel about something. And I want you to think about and choose a figurative perspective for this class. Because essentially, it's going to work as a theme. So, say you wanted to show me a perspective of your senior year, if you're a senior. So you could take photos of what's unique about this year. Well, it's 2020, something to do with 2020. You're having to wear a mask because it's a pandemic. Black Lives Matter movement. There are things that will stand out for this year that you could include if you wanted to have a perspective of your senior year. I mean, you can include if you're going to college, your future college, that kind of thing. But it can be more basic than that. Say you wanted to show me your perspective on automobiles, cars, trucks, things that go. You could show me parts of vehicles. You could show me a garage. You could show me tools you use to work on your truck. It could be just about anything. You could use multiple different objects to show a single perspective. And the purpose of that really is it'll create a theme for your entire portfolio. So as you look over your photographs and see how you progress through this course, your work will have something that ties it all together. And what's neat is as we get in deeper into photography, as we move past composition and point of view through, the 3 things that make up composition: dynamics, balance, and structure. Once we get past that, it really is about trying to capture emotion. So if you already have an idea, already have a figurative perspective about how you want this to go, you have some idea of what objects you want to photograph, you have some idea of how you feel about things, and I think it makes your overall photo taking improve. It's easier to see your progress, and it makes you more invested in progressing. So this is your project. I have it typed. It will be uploaded to Schoology as soon as I post this video. But make sure you look over your notes and think about what you want to do for this 9 weeks. Thanks. Y'all have a great day.